Orere thibitari ya Embu ireyukireirie gwitira gukorwo iri thibitari ya mbere ya county kuheana utungata wa gucenjia higo gikeno kiao gitinathie hanene thutha wa murwaru uria marathinjite gukua mathaa manini arikia kwamukira utungata uyu. Kugerera njira ya thimu, abitha murugamiriri wa urigitani kaunti-ini ya Embu Grace Kobuthi augite murwaru uyu arari na mathina mangi mwiri-ini ona mbere yake guthinjwo maria maracungiriirie gikuo giake ona thengia ya marigitari kugeria guthaitira muoyo wake kwa ihinda ria mathaa matandatu.
Guy had so many complications and they knew, the relatives were aware except the wife. But you know now kuna bahari hata mtu wako akiwa mgonjwa sana na mumeambiwa na daktari 1 2 3 you know you don't go say. Sasa they were waiting for the best of what would happen. Na counseling imefanywa na huyo na daktari wa Eldoret na sisi. Everybody seemed to accept that whatever God decides now, the patient was under the hands of God.
Mehariria ma guthinja murwaru uyu uria urari murutani wa cukuru umwe wa muthingi kuma gicigo kia Embu ya irathiro maroire ihinda ria mieri 18.
So Embu Hospital has done its best. We had all the experts and God also with us.
Mieri na mihituku thibitari ino ya Embu yatwikire thibitari ya mbere ya kaunti kuheana utungata wa guthinja na kiongo. Mundurume umwe uria waguthitwo na icembe kiongo niwe wamukirire utungata uyu na kihona. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.